In the dynamic world of Forex trading, having the right tools at your disposal is paramount to success. One such tool that holds immense power in your trading arsenal is the Volume Orderbook Indicator. To utilize the Volume Orderbook in TradingView, follow these steps. 1. Open TradingView. 2. Click on Indicators in the top menu. 3. In the search bar, type Volume Orderbook Expo. 4. Select Volume Orderbook Expo from the list of available indicators. This will enable you to incorporate the Volume Orderbook into your trading analysis on TradingView. The Volume Orderbook Indicator is a powerful analytical tool that provides critical insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. It essentially presents a real-time snapshot of the market supply and demand dynamics, making it an invaluable resource for traders. How does it work? This indicator displays the cumulative volume of orders at different price levels. By visualizing the depth of the market, traders can identify significant support and resistance levels, gauge market sentiment, and spot potential reversals or breakouts. It's like having a window into the minds of other traders, helping you make informed decisions. You can enhance your trading strategy by combining the Volume Orderbook Indicator with another tool like RSI. Here's how it works. When the RSI breaks a trend line and the order book reveals limited trade volume ahead of the chart, it may present an opportune moment to initiate a trade. Moreover, as previously discussed, you can employ the Volume Orderbook in areas with substantial trade volume to establish effective take-profit and stop-loss levels.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading and effortlessly gaining profits? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Porsche Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.